I'm John Carlo Cagalpin from 4th year Maxwell, and here to discuss one of the ways to get the derivatives using the power rule. I have here my first example. Y is equal to x cubed plus x squared plus 1 is my first example. To get the derivative of this using the power rule, you must get the value of the exponent and multiply it to the numerical coefficient of the variable. Then, we must subtract 1 from the value of the exponent. So, in here, x cubed will become 3x squared because the value of the exponent is 3. Times it to the numerical coefficient of the variable, we will get 3x. At the same time, the value 3 of the exponent will be subtracted by 1, so you will get 2. So, it will become 3x squared. In the case of x squared, 2 will be multiplied by 1, so it will become 2x. But at the same case as the first one, 2 will be subtracted by 1, so it will become 2x only. So, the derivative of this is 3x squared plus 2x. But, you can also get the second derivative of this using the power rule also. So, to get this, just apply what you did in the first one. For example, 3x squared plus 2x. To get the derivative of this, you can multiply 2 to 3, so you will get 6x. And then, since x is raised to 1 in the 2x, 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Since x is raised to 1 and you will subtract 1, it will become 0. And x raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So, the second derivative is 6x plus 2. This second example is a little bit complex. Here we have y is equal to 5x raised to 4 minus 4x squared plus 2x. So, you will apply also the power rule. The derivative of this is 20x raised to cube minus 8x plus 2. Again, if you want to get the second derivative, you can also apply the power rule. So, 3 times 20 is equal to 60. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, we have the second derivative is 60x squared minus 8. In the case like this, y is equal to 5 times the square root of x plus 4x squared. We can transform the square root of x into x raised to 1/2 since they're both equal. So, since x is raised to 1/2, just multiply the exponent like any other value that you would do. So, 1/2 times 5 is equal to 5/2 x plus 4x squared. So, the derivative of this is 5/2 times x raised to negative 1/2 plus 8x. Or, you can simplify this as 5 over 2x raised to 1/2 plus 8x. And that ends my discussion about getting the derivative of a function using the power rule. I hope you enjoy listening and watching to my video. And I thank you.